This is the Wisco Boater channel. My name is Chad. I got my sister and her family on board. My brother-in-law Dakin was just in the shot there. Dad's with us today, and we're going to go out for a little cruise and maybe anchor out, depending on what happens with the wind here in a little while. So we're just about to get off the dock, letting the engines warm up, and show you what we see. Okay, just leaving the dock.
So is there like almost like a road that you follow to get out? Like,
yeah.
So yeah, like kind of just skip over that way?
You can, but they don't necessarily keep this clean of weeds.
Oh, okay.
And there's mooring bulbs out there, so we try to just, this is a channel.
Yeah, that they keep.
And then this going through these buoys here, channel markers to leave the marina.
Any significance to red and green?
Yeah, green is always on the right if you're leaving. Red's on the left if you're leaving. And the saying is right red return, so when you're coming back you keep red on the right. My phone's in video.
Check.
Oh, I could look at the iPad, I guess.
10:26.
Yep. Huh?
That way?
Yeah.
So now, I heard you say, but could you do this by yourself and you choose not to? Or is this boat like to that, like where, nope, you can't do it by yourself?
I choose not to. People do run this boat. This is a Chris Craft Catalina 381, so they're owners that are way more experienced with it than I am.
They can do it.
They would do it, yeah. I just prefer.
I would just assume at a certain point there's a boat that's too big for one person to kind of.
Yeah, you get into like a 45 and longer boat, that would be probably where you'd want to cruise. Yep.
And how long is this?
40. Oregon Street Bridge, motor vessel Thirsty Whale.
Sturgeon Bay bridges, go ahead.
Yeah, just wonder what your clearance is right now.
On the Oregon Street Bridge, it is 24 feet.
Okay, perfect. We'll be able to make that and wait for the Michigan Street opening.
Roger that. Sturgeon Bay bridges, standing by 16.
Pretty cool sailboat over here at Center Point Marina. It's black and red one.
It's going to be hotter down there than up here, so you might want to come up right here. So you're not hot.
And then up here, Coast Guard ship came in this morning. Forget the name of it, starts with S, but we'll go by it here in just the U.S. Coast Guard boat that came in. The U.S. Coast Guard Spar. That's Graham Park here in Sturgeon Bay.
Your next boat needs wider
Gunnels?
gunnels here.
Huh?
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go under the Oregon Street Bridge and then wait for the Michigan Street Bridge to open in about 15 minutes. but there is a boat being built on the left side there. They won't open it much farther than that because it's very secretive, obviously. It's military stuff. Okay, there's the new Mark Barker. And we just had a big boat go by us and we got rocked pretty good, just like that boat's getting rocked. And then up here's the Cruisin Callaway, followed by the Roger Blow and the Stuart J. Court. Okay, close that gate. Good. All right, everybody ready? Lots of wind noise, but we're headed out into the Bay of Green Bay. We go out there for a few minutes and then turn around. First one here, the Cruisin Callaway, is about the same length as the Barker.
One that faces stern out?
Stern out is the Sturgeon Bay Court. That's a 1,000-footer.
Oh, okay. I noticed it's long.
Yeah, it's 105 feet wide and 1,000 feet long. The middle one is the Roger Blow. That's a 850 foot. And it's pretty wide too. I don't know what the beam is. Then this one's like 680. The Barker's 639. So they're all bigger, but those two are pretty close. Go back up front. right, we good?
Yeah, we'll go back a little further, but.
Okay. Sweet.
That's impressive.
Pretty impressive.
I would be hitting every boat and dock out here.
All right, we're back on the dock. What did everybody think?
That was good.
Have a good time? Good boat ride?
Hot.
Hot, yeah.
Yes, hot.
I wish we could have stopped
But
to anchor, but I got to figure out, my anchor isn't going out far enough. So, and we were in deep enough water that
it wouldn't have done
it wouldn't have done anything.
what it was supposed to do.
Yep.
Well, it
Good
was
job.
still fun.
Thanks, brother. All right, we're back on the dock. Another successful outing. Had a nice little cruise out to the Bay of Green Bay, and we were hoping to anchor out, but I got to figure out what's going on with my anchor chain. It won't let out more than about 20 feet, so I think there's a kink or something in the chain. So I'll check that out next week when I get back. But yeah, back on the dock. It's lunchtime, so we're gonna head on to town and grab something to eat. So thanks for watching this episode of the Whistle Boater channel. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments, and if you want to be notified when I post new videos like this one, always hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time. Happy boating, everybody.